I'm Kimberly Berg here, clinical exercise physiologist with the Rebel Fit Club. I have yet another exercise that you can do in your home, and all you need is a flat wall. Now you can use the wall in your hallway, you can use a wall outside, as long as there isn't any pictures or windows or anything that you're going to hit your head on. You're going to start out by just being very tall against the wall, and this exercise is actually going to activate our glute muscles, and our glute muscles help us from falling. They're part of our core, and by moving sideways, it's going to help you prevent those sideways falls. Start out tall with your toes pointed forward, and I know that there's some of you who like to splay your toes out to the side. So for you guys, you're going to have to bring your toes forward and really check on that. And that might mean even thinking about toeing in slightly, because it'll kind of neutralize it and keep your feet facing forward. So all you have to do is be tall, set a timer for 3 minutes, and you're going to take a big step, then a smaller step. Big step, small step, big step, small step. Work your way down the hall and back again. Thinking tall the whole time you're moving side to side. Keep your feet apart. Big step, small step, and pick up your feet. Make sure that you're not dragging that second foot. So by moving sideways, you're really activating those glutes. The second exercise, you're going to use that same wall, and we're going to do the wind tunnel. We do this in our class. It's very effective for activating your back and your voice and your face. So you're going to be very tall, hands are out, fingers are apart as wide as they can, and you're going to pretend like this giant wind is coming at you, and you're going to actually use your voice. So pushing with your arms, pushing with your head. Take a breath in. Ah! As you exhale. Okay, again, activate. Take a breath in, push with the back of your hands. Ah! So you're going to see how long you can extend your voice. The hard part about it is while you're doing all these different things that you're really pushing into the wall, you would be surprised at how hard it is to do everything at once. You know, with Parkinson, sometimes all that multitasking can be difficult. So it's really good for brain change also. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button below or go to our website at rebelfitclub.com and subscribe to my weekly blog, and you will receive weekly exercises for people with Parkinson's. While you're there, you can also contact me and find out about our great virtual workouts, or maybe you want to come to the gym and do a workout, or a combination of two. So thank you so much for listening. I'm Kimberly Berg, and go forth and conquer.